Before you begin, unpack your printer as shown on the Start Here sheet and place the printer in an area close to a power outlet. Also, be sure to review the notes, cautions, and warnings on the Start Here sheet. To start, lift the scanner unit and open the ink tank cover. Note the color-coded stickers on the ink tank unit and open the ink tank cap for the black ink tank. Remove the black ink bottle from its packaging. Hold the bottle upright and slowly turn the bottle cap to remove it. Do not shake or squeeze the bottle. The top of each ink bottle is designed to fit into the ink tank slot of the same color. Position the top of the bottle along the slot and slowly stand the bottle up to insert it. Wait for the ink to fill the tank. Do not squeeze the bottle. Ink flows into the tank and stops automatically when the ink is just below the upper line. If ink does not flow from the bottle, lift and reinsert the bottle. When ink stops flowing, remove the bottle. Replace the bottle cap and set the bottle aside. You will need it later. Then, close the ink tank cap. Repeat this process for the other colors. When you are finished filling the ink tanks, close the ink tank cover and lower the scanner unit. Connect the power cord, then raise the control panel and turn on the printer. Press the up or down arrow button to select your language, then press the OK button. When you see this screen, press the OK button. When you see this screen, press and hold the Help button for 3 seconds. When this screen appears, press the Start button to start charging the ink. Ink charging takes about 10 minutes. Do not turn off the printer, raise the scanner unit, or load paper while the ink is charging, or you'll waste ink. A message appears on the screen when ink charging is finished. Press the OK button. Next, lift the scanner unit and open the ink tank cover again. Use the remaining ink in the bottles to refill the tanks. Make sure you replace the bottle caps before disposing of the bottles. When you are finished refilling the ink tanks, close the ink tank cover and lower the scanner unit. Press the OK button to select Adjust. Then follow the on-screen instructions to adjust the print quality. When you are finished adjusting the print quality, press the left or right arrow button to select Maintenance. Then press the OK button. Select Reset Ink Levels and press the OK button. Press the Start button 2 times. Then use the control panel buttons to select each color. Press the Start button again to reset the ink levels and complete ink filling. When you see this screen, press the OK button. Follow the rest of the instructions on the Start Here sheet to continue setting up your printer.